family. So I am here today with another video, and this video is an update. I had this requested by some of my subscribers, so it's basically an update on the Etai hair product line, which I have been using and loving for the past, when did I get this? It's been about 3 months or so now. So yeah, I've noticed a big difference in my hair. It's a lot stronger and it's gotten a lot thicker too. It's grown out. So I recently trimmed it not that long ago, so it's a little bit, but you can see where it comes right there at my boobs right there. And then at the back, see if you can see the back. I don't know if you can, but that's kind of what it looks like at the back. So but yeah, it's gotten a lot longer, a lot stronger, and I love the body that it always has with these products. So I know I said in my first video that I would not use these products every week. That was a lie. I have been religiously using these products every single week because they are addicting. And you know, it's actually I actually picked up the Buttershine, the Etai Buttershine as well not that long ago, and I've been using this too, so I added this to the regimen as well. And I'm almost out of my products, so I just ordered. They're having a Black Friday sale and a Cyber Monday sale as well. So, and the prices have gone down 30%. So if you haven't gotten your products, please go and get them. I highly suggest. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just really like these products, and I figure why not share. So, but yeah, so they're having a sale. I just reordered my products. I got the shampoo and the conditioner. I still have quite a bit of the caramel treatment, and I still just use this. Starting to do some weird stuff in there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there is an expiration date for these things, just so you know. Mine is for 2016, so I still have some time to use it, but it is natural products. It's regular stuff. It gets old, so, but I still have quite a bit of this left, and I do this about once a month. I don't do this treatment every single week. So I do that once a month, but I do use the shampoo here. I use this every week, and I use the conditioner every week, okay? And the shampoo, the only thing about the shampoo is it's great for strengthening your hair. However, it doesn't really lather up for my hair. Like when I watch videos of girls with natural hair, it lathers up a lot for their hair, but for some reason with my relaxed hair, it's not lathering up that much. I don't know if it's because my hair is relaxed or what, but I always end up having to follow up. Like after I use it, I'll use like Pantene or something just to get a good lather, because I feel like my hair is not getting that clean. I don't know, maybe it's in my head. So, but that's the only con I have about the shampoo. Otherwise, health-wise, it's really good for your hair, and I've noticed a big difference in the strength of my hair. Another thing that has really helped the strength of my hair is this this conditioner here, the Silk Protein Conditioner, and this stuff is awesome. Like, really, like when my hair feels all matted and tangly after shampooing it, I'll add this stuff to it, and I can literally just like glide my fingers through my hair. It just makes my hair feel so good. So, and I usually leave this on. It says on the directions that you can apply to your hair, massage well, detangle, sit for your desired amount of time. So I just do that. Sometimes I'll leave it on for 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes I'll leave it on for like an hour. Just depends on what I'm doing. So yeah, that's the conditioner. And so I have been loving these products. I hope you enjoyed this product update. I'm going to continue using these products because they've been working great for my hair. So And I hope you guys give these products a try. They're really good, and I've noticed a really big difference in my hair, and I'm going to continue growing it out healthy. And my goal is to get my hair not just long, but I don't want it to be thin, so that's why I keep trimming it. So I don't want it to be thin at the ends. I want it to be long and thick. So that's my goal, and these products have really been helping me get to that goal. All right, so if you guys have any comments or questions about these products or anything hair related, or any requests for some more future videos, please just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to come and some more fun things to discuss with you guys. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out my last video on a healthy way to blow dry your hair.